Trading stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off exchange foreign currency transactions, Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by historical tests of strategies, is no guarantee of future performance or success. There is a possibility that you may sustain a loss equal to or greater than your entire investment, regardless of which asset class you trade, equities, options, futures, or Forex. Therefore, you should not invest or risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Trade Guide Limited is an authorized representative of Forex Max Limited and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority number 229906. G'day folks, this is Younes from Supercharge Wyckoff VSA.com. I'm the author of Supercharge Your Trading and Investment Account using Wyckoff Volume Spread Analysis. In my daily analysis video, I'm going to be going through the Euro USD. I've got the 4-hour chart here. And what we see here on the Smart Center Pro, we're starting to see the smaller time frames starting to trend down. Now, the euro against the US dollar has been quite bullish over the last couple of weeks or so. And we can see with this massive move up that it's had. Now, we do have ultra high volume. We do have ultra high volume on this bar. Okay, so on this bar, it's a widespread up bar which closed towards the highs. We had a sign of weakness 26, supply coming in, and the next bar was a down bar, but it wasn't a convincing down bar. You know, we can see it was more like a upthrust type of bar. Okay, so they tried to push the price up, but it just closed just beneath the open. Okay, so it wasn't a really bearish type bar, and if you have a look at the volume compared to the previous bar, it was a much lower volume. Okay, so by looking at that, it's telling me that there's really at that stage there's no selling pressure. Okay, and we're likely to see further moves to the upside, and which we did see. Okay, so the euro against the US dollar did rally up until around about the 114.45 mark. Okay, that's where we've reached those highs. But now we've come back down, and we've come back towards the high of this very high to ultra high bar. Okay, volume bar. Okay, so if we start to see some strength entering here, then that is clearly absorption volume. Okay, so I'm looking for signs of strength at this level here. That's where we are currently sitting. Okay, at the 113.87 level. That is where my trigger point is. If we see continued weakness, okay, then looking for weakness below my low trigger at 113.28. Okay, but we could look at taking short trades as we are starting to trend downwards in the smaller time frames. If I go down to the 1 hour, okay, we can see we will have trend alignment as soon as this bar closes, which is in the next half an hour or so. Then we'll have trend alignment to the downside, which is perfect for our sharpshooter strategy. Okay, so by breaking down beneath this level, then I'll be looking for short trades to go down to these levels here. But if you're looking at swing trading this, then your best bet to take short trades will be beneath the lower trigger line. Okay, so that's your best bet. But if you're scalping, we'll look to take scalp trades back down towards the lower trigger point. But be very mindful. All right, you may see signs of strength entering. Okay, which could push this higher. Okay, so if we have a look at the signals that we got as it reached the highs here, we got a sign of weakness 198. no demand, and you can clearly see that there was no demand after a decent up move, which occurred over the 12 hours to 16 hours. Okay, so it's come off. Now we're testing this key level at 113.87. If we get signs of strength, then we'll retest these highs. If we can continue to see a breakdown, then our sharpshooter strategy will have trend alignment in all our time frames. So we look for short trades going back down towards this level, this key level at 113.28. For the swing traders, a breakdown beneath this level, then we look for short trades going down, back down towards the 112 to 111 mark. Okay, folks, I hope you have a great trading day, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.